Hello students, this is worksheet 2 of chapter 12 which was your yesterday's homework. Today I am back with explanation of the answers. Let us read the first story. A nursery tree has 12 saplings to be distributed among farmers. If each farmer gets 3 saplings, how many farmers are there? Sapling means baby plants, okay? Now a tree nursery is going to give each farmer 3 baby plants and there are only 12. So how many farmers are there to take the 12 saplings? We have to find out this one. Statements are given. Total number of saplings 12 and number of saplings each farmer will get is we have written 3. So number of farmers will be 12 divided by 3. We are not going to direct division now. We will find out the answer in the most simplest and the easiest way. That is, we have understood that we have to divide 12 by 3. So for doing this division, read the table of 3 in your mind. That find out where in the table of 3 you get 12. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So here it is 3 fours are 12. We wrote here 4. That is the number of farmers we got. This is the answer. 3 fours are 12. Try to do it in this way now. Move to number 2. Richa has 15 goldfish. She wants to put 3 goldfish in each fish bowl. How many bowls will she need? Number of goldfishes Richa has given 15 and number of goldfish in each bowl is 3. This much you have got from the story given. Now you have to find out the number of bowls Richa need. Same way we will try this one also. 15 to be divided by 3. Read the table of 3 in your mind. By reading the table you will find that 3 into 5 gives us 15. From here we got the answer 5. In the table of 3 when you will read you will find 3 5s are 15. From here we got the answer 5. Moving to the next one. A school took 24 children for camping. Each tent will have 3 children in it. How many tents are needed to accommodate all the children? So number of children it is given in the story 24 and each tent will have 3 children. So number of children in each tent we wrote here 3. We have to find out the number of tents required. So number of tent will be 24 divided by 3. Same way did the table of 3 you will find 3 into 8 will give you 24. And that is the answer that we have written. Number of tents required will be 8. Now students, let's start with students book. This is page 165 in your book. You can see here pictures of some stars and toffees given. You have to make groups of 4. Circle 4 star and make a group. Another 4 star and make another group. And find out how many groups you can make out of these stars given. You can count the number of stars. If you count the number of stars, you will find that there are 12 stars given. And when you will make groups of 4 star, you will see that you have made 3 groups. This is the same thing that we have done in our multiplication chapters. You will notice one thing, children, that the number of stars given here is 12. You have made groups in 4 and you have made 3 groups. After making the circle you will see that there are 3 groups made. So try to understand it in this way, that 3 groups of 4 made. That is 3 into 4 is 12. We are applying our multiplication table Again here, 12 when divided in 4 is giving me 3 groups. 4 in each group is giving me 3 groups. In the other way, 3 into 4 is 12. Just as addition is the opposite of subtraction, multiplication is again the opposite of division. Try the next one. Some toffees are given. Make groups of 3. Take 3 toffees and make a circle. And see the number of groups that you have formed is, when multiplied with 3, will give you the number of toffees. Once again, I will explain you these things tomorrow. And after that, come to page 169. You can see here pictures of some tomatoes, muffins, and some students given. You have to make groups here. This is simply that you have to divide. You have to share equally. Division means sharing equally. 12 tomatoes are given, and here you can see in the picture there are given 3 plates. Okay. You have to put 3 in each plate. In each plate you will put 3 tomatoes. Then how many plates will be needed to put these 12 tomatoes? Pictures of 3 plates are given. But you have to put 3 tomatoes in one plate. In this plate 3, in this plate 3, in this plate 3. So all the tomatoes are not finished. Some more tomatoes are left. How many plates will be required to set all the tomatoes? This is simply division. Without putting the tomatoes practically into the plate, we can find out the answer by dividing 12 with 3. 12 when divided by 3 will give me the answer. How you will do is, in the table of 3, find out where comes 12. If you start reading the table of 3, you will see that 3 into 4 is 12. This means if 3 tomatoes are kept in one plate, then 4 plates will be required to set all the tomatoes. Similarly, try the other two. I hope you will enjoy doing this and you will find it very easy to do. I will be back with the answers tomorrow. Thank you, children.